She's here for possible bowel obstruction. We're just going to go in and do an exploratory lap.
There's a huge demand for surgical technologists in the Wyoming Valley. A surgical technologist can not only work in an operating room, they can work in a same-day surgery center. They can work in labor and delivery.
In-class learning, hands-on in the lab here, and then your clinical rotations are as real as you can get. And it prepares you for what you're going to deal with in the OR.
You'll have to know the instrument so you could pass them, because sometimes a surgeon doesn't know the name of the instrument. So you have to know the instruments, maintain sterility, and just overall try to keep a cool head, I guess.
As far as like just getting into the program itself, just do it. You know, you learn throughout. You have amazing professors and amazing preceptors to help guide you through that time.
If you enjoy excitement, if you don't want to do the same job every day, come see us, we can talk.